Bentley is on a journey of transformation called Beyond 100, with an entirely electric vehicle range by 2030. Such a transformation brings with it the opportunity for a new design language, a revolution of the Bentley design DNA, the start of a new design era and a new generation of the most beautiful Grand Tourers in the world.
With Mulliner, we brought you new Bentley blowers and a return to true coach building with the Batur. And now we go a step further with the new ultimate Grand Tourer, the Bentley Mulliner Batur.
Customers of Bentley Mulliner have the most incredible creativity. They want truly unique one-off Bentleys that reflect their individuality and personality.
For the design team, the Batur represents the start of a Bentley design revolution. We are taking the iconic Bentley design cues and reimagining them for the years ahead. The resting B stance is very important. The car sits on its rear axle to give it a certain attitude. It's really powerful, really self-confident, but never aggressive. The endless bonnet line connects the bonnet with the body and stretches the car, makes it really elegant and really beautiful. The upright elegance starts only in the front and then goes over the whole side panel and gives us a really strong and self-confident design. Cleaner and simplified is our new attitude in design. We want to emphasize the powerful and bold surfaces. We've broken up the surfaces, especially in the front, and we have one bone line going all the way through to emphasize a really wide front end. All our brand values are in the core of the Batur. That is our future. We really emphasize everything Bentley stands for.
Mulliner is Bentley's personalisation, bespoke and coach building division. The last 2 years have witnessed the rebirth of Mulliner, with demand soaring for individually created, bespoke Bentleys. The Batur is much more than a successor to the Batur. Its exquisite design clothes the most capable Grand Tourer Bentley has ever created, and the most powerful. The word artisan is often overused, but not in this case. This is a car crafted entirely by hand from the ground up, and each one will take months to create. Our Mulliner artisans will craft every detail to the individual customer's specification for a truly bespoke car. And exclusivity is guaranteed, with just 18 Baturs to be built. The Batur will feature the iconic Bentley W12, the engine that's powered the brand for almost 20 years. As it approaches its retirement, we want to celebrate it, and the Batur will use the ultimate iteration of the W12, delivering more power than ever before. All 12 Baturs were reserved before we even announced the project, because it combined exquisite design with beautiful craftsmanship and the allure of rarity with the thrill of endless personalisation. Batur will offer current and new customers the same proposition, but elevated even further with a bold coupé design unlike anything seen before from Bentley. It's a stunning piece of work by our design team.